Hello, parents. As Valentine's Day approaches, we are back at Next Chapter Books to help you understand how love blossoms over time.
Introduction.
Love at first sight rarely happens, but it makes for a great story.
Enjoyment.
Having fun with one another, building a playful rapport through engagement.
Commitment and teamwork.
Dedicating time daily to build the relationship.
Communication.
Helping each other understand different points of view.
Trust.
Knowing that you're always there for one another.
Love.
A deep devotion and unshakable love.
Reading aloud regularly with your child throughout the grades builds into a passionate love for books and reading.
Come fall in love.
At Next Chapter Books.